Hello friends, chapter number 2 solutions, part 5. Topic is solubility of gas in liquid. Solubility of gas in liquid, it has so many factors occur like nature of solute and solvent. Next one is its temperature and pressure. This type of factor affected when solubility of gas in liquid. Second thing, when polar and non-polar solution we will use. Generally oxygen O2 works as a non-polar, and second one is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid works as a polar solvent, and when oxygen dissolve in water, then it cannot be dissolved in water easily because this one works as a non-polar. But here one rule is occur, like non-polar solvent easily dissolve, non-polar solute easily dissolve in non-polar solvent, and polar solute easily dissolve in polar solvent. That's why when here hydrochloric acid used, then hydrochloric acid works as a polar. That's why polar solute easily dissolve in polar solvent, means water molecule. Both are dissolved in water molecule. Solute and solvent is same, but solute are different. One is oxygen, another one is hydrochloric acid. Clear? Now second one, solubility of gas in liquid, and most important law, this one known as Henry's law. Henry's law means here two chamber is present, then here one solvent molecule is present, here solute means gaseous molecule is present, here liquid medium present, solvent liquid medium is present. But when this gaseous molecule entering in solvent side or solvent surface, why? Because solvent present in its liquid medium, then this molecule when go on downside, then this solvent convert into solution. Why? Because solute and solvent molecule or particles react with each other, then convert into solution. Second thing, here W1 indicated weight, means weight or mass, pressure applying. Second thing, this line indicated piston. Second, when high pressure applying, denoted by W1, W2 and W3. Here solute molecules are present, and these solute molecules of gas. Why? Because upper side gaseous particles present and downside solvent liquid particles are present. And when solute to solvent molecule when move, then between them one colloidal type reaction occur. Then this solute and solvent between colloidal occur, and this solvent convert into solution. Here blue color dots indicated solute gas molecules or particles. When pressure high apply, then blue particles, means solute gaseous particle entering on downside surface. That's why here indicated by blue and red dots, means up to down, and here so many particles is present. Why? Because due to high pressure applied. Second thing, Henry law. First law is at a constant temperature. Temperature is when constant, Then the solubility of gas in a liquid means what? When gas in a liquid, then between them solubility occur. This one is a directly proportional to partial pressure, and partial pressure denoted by small p of the gas present above the surface of a liquid or solution. Here downside surface indicated solution or solvent present in liquid medium. Second thing, when Henry and Dalton contemporary between them occur, then one law is occur, and this law is mole fraction. Mole fraction denoted by X of gas. Mole fraction of gas in the solution means these gaseous particles when moving on downside surface and convert into solution. That's why mole fraction of gas in the solution is proportional to the partial pressure. Means this gas is over the solution, and that's why finally one law of Henry's law. This one is a most important and popular law. Why? Because here mole fraction word used, and mole fraction is directly proportional to its partial pressure P, means P directly proportional to X. That's why Henry law is written the partial pressure means P of the gas present in its solid medium in vapor phase is proportional to the mole fraction of the gas X in the solution. Means P directly proportional to X. This one is a law of Henry, and mathematical step when occur, then partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction of gas when present in liquid solution. When here this proportionality symbol removing, then entering is equal to sign, and when is equal to sign entering, then compulsory we will write Henry's constant symbol and denoted by KH. K is equal to proportionality constant, but here Henry law is present, that's why H denoted Henry's constant, and that's why P is equal to KH into X. When suppose we will use Y is equal to mx type equation, then Y indicated Y axis, X axis, and M is equal to slope. Means what? Y axis suppose here present, here X axis present. Then Y axis works as a partial pressure. That's why partial pressure versus mole fraction value. Then graph gives us straight line. And between them suppose here slope is present. And this one indicated KH means Henry's constant value. This one for original formula from Henry's law, and this one is a general formula. When we will use mathematical step, then Y is equal to mx type indicated. That's why Y axis and X axis between them one slope indicated by small m. That's why P present on Y axis, X present on X axis, and between them one slope is present, and this one indicated Henry's law, Henry's constant value. Second thing, here when some gases is present and when temperature increase or decrease, and then solubility means KH value increase or decrease, then here one table is given. Means what? This one is a value of Henry's constant. Gas like helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and oxygen. When helium gas temperature in presence of 293 Kelvin, then its KH means solubility is 144.97 kilobar. Here hydrogen gas in presence of 293 Kelvin temperature, then solubility is 69.16 kilobar. Second thing, nitrogen. Nitrogen present in 293 Kelvin temperature when applied, then its solubility is 76.48 kilobar. When this all temperature means temperature value is same 293 Kelvin, but we can identify it easily when temperature is same but solubility value is different. Means what? Solubility value KH value when more, then these molecules cannot be easily soluble in solubility is decreases. That's why here 144.97. This value is increased compared to other two gases. That's why this one is cannot be easily soluble. Clear? Means solubility is decreases. Second thing, out of 3 value, this one is a very low value, means 69.16. KH value is decreased. That's why this one is a very easily soluble and solubility is increased compared to other two gases. Why? Because temperature, this all gases temperature is same when we will apply 293 temperature, Kelvin temperature. Next, another 3 nitrogen, oxygen and oxygen. Here also nitrogen gas present, but its temperature is when change, like 303 Kelvin. Temperature here 293, here 303 Kelvin. Then its KH value is 88.84. Means what? 293 and 303. Temperature when applying 303, then KH value is more. That's why solubility is decreases. Next, last one is for oxygen gas. Oxygen gas when used, then temperature these two applying like 293 and 303 Kelvin. Here 2 KH value is given like 34.86 and 46.82. In these two value, first 34.86 KH value is small. That's why its solubility is increases compared to when applying 303 Kelvin temperature. In short, when KH value is more or increased, then solubility is decreases. Second thing, temperature when low means decreases, then solubility of gases increases. Temperature when we will use low or decreased temperature, then solubility of gas is increases. Next, second thing, applications of Henry law. First one is increase the solubility of carbon dioxide in soft drinks and soda water. Soft drinks like Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, Limca, Fanta, etc. Soda water means when carbon dioxide reaction with water, then formation of H2CO3 known as carbonic acid. That's why we can also say soda water known as H2CO3. The bottle is sealed under high pressure. When we have one bottle and this bottle filled with full of water, and when entering carbon dioxide in presence of high pressure, then carbon dioxide and water, carbon dioxide molecule easily entering on downside surface and then completely sealed, means airtight. Then this one convert into high pressure when applied, then soft drink and soda water formation means what, like high pressure when applied, then gas is more present in this bottle. Second thing, scuba diver. Scuba divers when high pressure applying, then its solubility is also high or increase. When scuba divers in presence of generally O2 and N2, this type of gas when used. Why? Because we will breathe, and generally in our body breathing system generally we will breathe oxygen, dioxygen gas, and in this oxygen and dinitrogen gas when entering or when these particles react with blood cells, then pressure is decreases, gas is easily dissolved. Why? Because pressure is decreases, that's why gas easily dissolve. Second thing, when leads to formation of bubbles, means downside molecules or particles when move on upper side, then this one formation of bubbles or gives us bubbles of nitrogen in the blood, and that's why when oxygen and nitrogen, this type of gas when used and convert into its liquid medium, then formation of blood cell when reaction with blends. And second thing, generally we will use which type of gaseous, then helium present in 11.7%, N2 present in 56.2%, and O2 when present in 32%, and this one is a good for scuba divers. Clear? These three gas when we will use, and its percentage is already given, means like this 3, 11.7, 32, and next one is 56.2, and next, and then third one is anoxia. This is when created. Then how to create it? Anoxia. When oxygen, means high altitude climbers, high altitudes or climbers, when ground level to move on upper level, then its oxygen level, means oxygen thickness is convert into very, means low. Then second thing, oxygen when present in its low concentration medium, then blood and tissue of people living at high climbers. Second thing, low blood oxygen, climbers have become weak, and then weakness is created, then this one indicated one type of disease created known as anoxia. Clear? And these all are for Henry's law, means how to form Henry's law and use application. And second thing, some values are also given, like in this table, why solubility is increase and why solubility is decrease, easily identified by this table value. And next lecture we will continue. Thank you.